स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर कर दिया है। डाउट मन में आया था कि पुलिस जो इंक्वायरी करेगी क्या वो निष्पक्ष होगा या नहीं होगा। हिस्ट्री में पहले बार होगा कि 60 डेज टाइम बाउंड में जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट करेंगे।
Till date, my complaint remains against those 7 Bharatpur police officials who wronged me and who have molested me. As you asked me that if I'm satisfied or happy, that will be when the justice will be provided to me.
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर कर दिया है, तो हम ओडिशा सरकार को धन्यवाद देते हैं, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर को धन्यवाद देते हैं, आभार प्रकाश करते हैं कि उन्होंने हमारा बात सुना है। क्योंकि पिछले 2 दिन पहले हमने देखा था कि जो पुलिस सर्विस कर रहे हैं अभी वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिए थे, तो डाउट मन में आया था कि पुलिस जो इंक्वायरी करेगी क्या वो निष्पक्ष होगा या नहीं होगा। तो उसको डाउट को क्लियर करने के लिए स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी ऑर्डर कर ही दिया है। ये मेरे ख्याल से हिस्ट्री में पहले बार होगा कि 60 डेज टाइम बाउंड में जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी कंप्लीट करेंगे, और इसके लिए मैं ओडिशा गवर्नमेंट को और ऑनरेबल मुख्यमंत्री को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं, आभार प्रकाश करता हूं।
Today, after meeting the Honorable Chief Minister, where he gave me a patient audience and hearing, he has heard all my grievances, and still till date, my complaint remains against those 7 Bharatpur police officials who wronged me and who have molested me. And he has assured me with a judicial inquiry that I will be given justice, fair, and to be looking after the truth.
As you run a restaurant over there, and you have vowed for protection on that.
Sir, I only told him that I could face possible threats because that is what I know and see of, because already twice police officials have come there and intimidated my staff. So I also told him about the same episode, where he assured me that if the need be in future, protection will be provided to run a simple way of my restaurant, sir.
As 7 women, they come from workplace at night for protection, as CM said.
Sir, just taking my case in hand, he has assured and ensured that in the future, women are going to be absolutely safe in this state, and zero tolerance towards any wrongdoings towards women will be taken by the state, sir. And Odisha will become a safe zone for women in the times to come.
Are you satisfied as CM said?
With all these words that he has promised me and told me, I do feel relaxed. But as you asked me that if I'm satisfied or happy, that will be when the justice will be provided to me through this judicial inquiry, sir. Yes, I am happy that he gave me a patient hearing.